A ghastly, stinking, and very wicked monster called Scrap Trash is destroying nature and threatening wildlife. Is he unbeatable? Not at all. And to defeat this villain, we have the most amusing lot of the Brazilian rainforest. The Rainforest Heroes. They are animals of the Brazilian fauna threatened by extinction. They share adventures and situations of risk, of happiness, of fun, of knowledge, of friendship. Environment destruction awfully worries them, and they do what they can to protect their friends. Rainforest Heroes, a series from Brazil, first season, 52 episodes of 12 minutes each. Entertainment for boys and girls from 4 to 7 years old, with several techniques: puppets, stop motion, CGI in HDTV format, and the possibility of internet games and other multi-platform interaction. An unmissable journey in the company of very clever heroes, of little animals helping the heroes, of a very wise counselor, of a mysterious ant that never shows up, and of a van which takes the group everywhere. With promptness for adventure and fun, they are always fighting against danger, destruction, and bad mood. The Rainforest Heroes.